So it's been 3 months or 90 days since I first got my hands on the Samsung Galaxy A52, one of Samsung's latest and greatest mid-ranger of the year 2021. In this video, I'm going to share some of the new experiences I had with the A52 in the past 3 months and also share some insights on whether or not I can personally recommend this phone to you or someone you know who may be consider buying one. And by the way, the crack you see on the phone is on the tempered glass and not on the screen, so there's nothing to worry about. And also, we are on the road to hit 20k subscribers, so make sure you smash the subscribe button to see more tech related videos just like this one. So with that being said, let's get started. The first major point which makes the phone such a worthy consideration is the price. This phone over here comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and it is priced at around 65,000 Sri Lankan rupees, which is around $330 at the time of purchase. But due to the extreme demand and unavailability of stock, in some countries the prices have increased, but in majority it's cheaper and a worthy option to go. Here is the updated price list of the phone in different regions at the time of uploading this video. In exchange for that price, we get a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate screen. This display comes with a 1080p resolution and the brightness level can go up to 800 nits, a far better screen when using it in the outdoors. Samsung hasn't yet removed the headphone jack, which is one major upgrade for the consumers in 2021. They have placed the SIM card slot in the top with the secondary mic, and then on the right side we have got the volume button and the power button. Then on the bottom we have the usual things, and then on the left we have nothing. So the Galaxy A52 is also equipped with an awesome stereo speaker setup, which means they have two speakers, one on the top and one on the bottom. This makes the sound quality in the phone very clear and very loud. This bad boy is also powered with a Snapdragon 720G chipset, which is more than enough to do many tasks and use it as a daily driver. Within the 3 months time period, I haven't faced any lags or issues with the A52. This phone has a 4500 mAh battery, which also supports 25W super fast charging. It charges from 0 to 50% in exactly 30 minutes. The battery in this phone can last up to a whole day with at least 20 to 30% remaining at the end of the day. I usually get around 7 to 8 hours screen on time, which is very good for powering up the 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with the 90Hz refresh rate turned on. Inside the box, you get the phone, some paperworks, which are the quick start guide and the warranty, a SIM ejector tool, and the 15W USB Type-C charger. Unfortunately, you don't get the earphones as well as the plastic TPU case in the box. By the way, if you want to watch the full unboxing experience of the Samsung Galaxy A52, click the link in the description to view my Galaxy A52 unboxing video. The A52 comes with a quad camera setup with the 64 megapixel being the main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 5 megapixel macro, and finally 5 megapixel depth sensor. Here are some of the sample shots taken with the Samsung Galaxy A52. The front-facing camera comes with a notch type design and is really small compared to the other phones in the market. It is equipped with a 32 megapixel sensor. Here are some of the sample photos of the front-facing camera. If you have any doubts about the camera, I have already made a complete camera review video of the Galaxy A52. I'll make sure I put that link in the description as well, so you can go and view it from there. With all those things said, my final conclusion of the Galaxy A52 is that if you are looking for a smartphone which is more affordable and has plenty of newer features packed in it, like the certified water resistant rating, a fast refresh rate screen, faster performance, faster charging speeds, and a larger battery to power up everything and stay awake all day, then this is without doubt one of the best options out there to consider as your next daily driver. 3 months later, I have thoroughly enjoyed using the Samsung Galaxy A52 and I can highly recommend it to you or a loved one. What are your thoughts and opinions of the Galaxy A52? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel, as it helps and motivates me to make good content just like this. So as always, see you guys in the next one.